This is where we are now, you know. It's a far cry from where we're coming from in these streets. You know what I'm saying? But let me take you back. I'm gonna show you how we got right here. We ain't started off right here. We started off in the garrison, in the gutter and the grime, living that street life. Big up all of my thugs them. See? Jamaica land we love. It's the low-key spot. We watch everything come in off the water. See the flag. Big up, Jamaica.
Yeah, man, everything good. Man, the ass, man, my dad's man, you done more pattern on the road already. Yes, I don't know. Wait, you see me? Real man. Just go and lock our place. Alright. You don't know right. You see it is right, but man. You don't know the thing, I know the thing second. You see me, me killer. When I shot them, I shot on next week, they don't know next week. Yeah. Yeah. I'm fresh up and think, I'm not away and I watch now, man. Come round for the back, man. I want to take one, I want to pay some man. Man, the ass in the dark. You see? Mad. You see?
That's song on the bar, me I go.
Yeah, Rich is right.
Well, I 1 5.
Rich is right. Oh, clean me out, so I come clean up one place, you know.
Yeah.
So, yo, here some sweeping up and cleaning up from the room and don't know how to breathe and you have to get a thing in jiggy and make you feel fresh.
Yeah, man, I saw it, man. I have to take care of them right now. So I say myself, I say, I'm thing right now, too.
That kind of easy out all of the trouble and
yeah.
Yeah. What if a problem, man? It's no bad man.
True, man.
Yeah, get the thing intact. Paw and them jam. Paw them shady.
Link short real quick, you see me?
Yeah.
They have to link with Michelle, man.
Mother off clap.
Get this.
Go on the thing.
Good. Yeah, man.
Get the thing.
What's all about, my friend?
There.
Everything good? Me, man. High grade forever, I would say, huh? Turn on the music, let me come.
The remote that I play, they work by the phone.
I chat to my boy and he say about Thursday about that thing. I say about Thursday. That good?
Yeah, man. You have a sample now.
Yeah, man, I have a thing, man.
Try it now.
I show you a butt.
Come try it now.
But that's one a split, man, because you don't know high grade, you know.
You don't want to try it, I'm going to know it's here. Yeah, man, be there.
So you hear what? Sort out the thing. And about Thursday, so you just come get a link and sort it out. See?
Say a word, man.
Bless the love. You're impressed?
Alright.
Yo. What about? Put that on the black here, man. Yeah, man, I got your thing right there, so man. Forward. Yo. What about without? Yeah, man, in the forward, man, of the high grade, man, have some ice. Some kush. You see me? Where you want? Yeah, man, in the forward, man, and them style. Yeah, man. Alright, tell them say about. We can get them, yeah, man, 20 pack, alright, man. When them want. chat to the buyer, man. I don't want it. Alright, yeah, man, do the thing, man. Start out it everything, Papa, man. There. Yeah, my love.
Yeah,
You look worried.
I can smell all of this from inside.
Yeah, man, I know it's worried, man.
Babes, I don't want to stress you out or anything, but you said that now that the baby's coming, that you wouldn't keep doing this, that you try to do something else, something more legitimate, for the baby.
Alright, babes. I understand now, but it's like there's no jobs out there. You see me? I can't constantly, me not take disrespect from people. You see me?
Got night, yeah. To the music was sweet and nice. It's like Sunday to chicken and peas and rice. When me hear some funk on the BBG and me get cross like the thing working Jesus Christ.
I can't not understand the whole blessing and just,
Babe, I don't like you out in the streets like that. Like from morning until night, you're gone. You're just out there on the streets. It's not safe. You don't hear about the curfew that them having. You don't see how police just keep running upon people. It's not safe. It's like a completely different game these days. Like you have to cut it out because the baby needs a father.
yeah, babes, come on, come here. You know I have to worry like that. You know what I said? I guess this is the only thing I have to survive, I take care of my baby. You know what I'm saying? I want to relax, man. I don't have to worry about nothing, you see me? So, you see me? Can't get stressed like that, you know what I'm saying? I know it's rough, I know you're worried and everything, but, life is good, you know what I'm saying? Whatever, I have to show you a lot of these things because anything can happen still, and I don't want nothing bad to happen, but not to survive, you see me, nobody not doing nothing, you see me there and I live like, you see me, I have to just go and survive.
Baby is going to need both of us.
So you mean, so the baby not have the trouble, man?
You're not going to be any good to anybody if you're in jail or worse. You're not paying attention to what's going on out in the streets. It's not safe.
I understand, baby, I understand, but you don't know, Because this is the only way Jaggy man to survive right now, I don't see no other way, you see me?
Alright, babes.
Don't worry, man.
Yeah. You know it's J Money alongside the Black Champagne.
Yo, killer. Make sure you get that shit taken care of today, though.
She only take one day, one day, one day.
So I'm about to go ahead and click up, you know what I'm saying? Handle that shit. Get rid of that shit. And let's get this money, nigga.
One day. Started off as a child, I was young and wild. Running these streets, gotta eat. Me and my niggas gotta creep. End up 6 feet deep. Fucking with a real nigga. A nigga plotting a lot of figures. I only fuck with real niggas. That's why Champagne a real nigga. We out here on the block.
That's why I know everything's gonna be okay, alright? Don't want you to worry. Just know it's gonna take care of everything. I'm gonna love you, yeah? Kiss my baby and tell us I'm gonna love her, yeah?
Making them all day. We on the block getting paid 24 hours of the day. Trying to get paid, trying to get rich, not thinking about another bitch. But it only takes one day, one day. She only takes one day, one day. only take one day. One day.
Man, this shit ain't got our colors, man. I'm telling you, that shit about to land right in front of my crib right now. This is what I'm talking about.
But you never.
For all of you who don't know, the helicopter comes in and drops off my stuff right at my door. This is how it works. That's how it works, man. Product comes in, you know what I'm saying? Straight like that. Half of bricks, nigga. This is what we do this shit for. A bag full of bricks, nigga.
And now one more funeral.
Yo, G, come link me at the yard, dog. The boy them just catch me a while ago. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Come link me at the yard, quick, quick.
Vamos. Oh, me really hear that.
The boy them run up on me wicked, wicked man, you see what I want. But them
No,
run up
dog.
on me and boss all shot after me and shot fly through my leg and slide go down
Aye.
gully like my name, like a slider me.
Yeah,
and
me I
go.
said that. That not gonna work in my That not gonna work in
No, me done make a couple call already now. We know where the
Not
boy
gonna
them
work in
there.
my youth.
Don't know where the boy them there.
That time.
So I go for
Yo.
Yo, money. What go on, dog? Just get a link down for the dog, you know. Yeah, man. The same dog was shot a bird in the engine, man. Yeah, my sister, dog. Now, here. The sister can get to the boy, you see me? Just give me a link, man. I want to tell you, man,
That bomber, yeah.
brother, let me the lighter there.
Yo,
Not stress in me I feel right now, man. Margarine is enough stress from me, man.
I'm killing me ready for kill. Oh, yeah, tell me, dog. How the man them deal with that? Coming up, yo, what really, what happened?
Put him on the boss, man. The said boy set me up, man. Then I ain't messy running on me first, man.
Why you, the boy, just a call me and tell me say him have some work in the dog.
They know feel we work, the boy I'm catch.
Alright, here we go. I got
Feel we
blood clot call him and tell him some more.
That's why I tell you, say, why wait for the rest of the viper them and goblins forward.
My which vibe and goblins, boy, I go me and call him right now, motherfucker. Me I go feed him. That me I tell you, me don't want nobody to come back. Me don't want nobody.
You know, left me I come with you. Me and you go.
Yo,
You
yeah,
know, left me. None at all upon that one day. Boy, them have to feel some of my pain too, you know. Me if you tell you.
Upon the man, watch out.
But them
Top
not,
to bottom.
them not gonna forget for reason with them friend man after me see them.
Endless. Ring up. Them done all the things that the woman gonna sing them. Yeah. We're gonna say we love it. Cause your guns them lovely. Love the guns them truly. Hey, we tell them tell me. Can't stop pussy till me hide them shut on me body cool. Tell me no responsible bumbo hole.
Emergency has been declared in parts of the Jamaican capital,
State of
Kingston.
emergency that's been declared in parts of the Jamaican capital, Kingston.
State of emergency.
Yeah. You know it's J Money alongside the Black Champagne. Yeah. Yeah. She only take one day. One day. One day. She only take one day. One day. One day.
Started off as a child, I was young and wild. Running these streets, gotta eat.
Me and my niggas gotta creep. End up 6 feet deep. Fucking with a real nigga. A nigga plotting a lot of figures. I only fuck with real niggas. That's why Champagne a real nigga. We out here on the block. We keep this shit hot. We staying on the low. And we getting that dough. Making that cake, niggas switching them states. We do it all day. Flipping them. Making them all day. We on the block getting paid 24 hours of the day. I'm trying to get paid, trying to get rich, not thinking about another bitch. But it only takes one day, one day. She only takes one day, one day, one day. She only takes one day, one day. One day. She has such a hard life. She has to walk the streets at night. Remember, mama wanna change her life, but you never, that's right. I help her, I try to tell her what she gotta do, but she's stuck, she don't wanna go to school. She's following the street rules, but don't understand the street, that it's not where she wanna be. I try to tell her, but now she's gone, gone in the cold, cold world.